What's up, guys? Today I have another ride along for you. We are actually doing Spark today because I have two incentives. One is a guarantee where if we do 5 orders, then we get at least $100 just on base pay. So any tips would be extra. And then also if we do 4 orders today, then we get an extra $16. So we are going to see how fast we can knock this out. If we can knock it out today. It is 10:45 and I already have our first offer here. So let's go pick it up. All right, so one of the orders actually just got canceled, which means less miles for me. I will take it. It's now only paying $15. So again, that bonus is gonna pay us at least $20 for this order. I'll take it. All right, so that was a pretty quick pickup. Not too much of a wait, but because I haven't done Spark in like almost 2 months, that was not a round robin, so I don't think I'm gonna make it back for the next round robin, which means we might be waiting around a little longer. And honestly, that's probably why I have this incentive in the first place, is because they're like, please come back. So yeah, I'm not gonna be too picky though. This is about probably 13 miles round trip, so even with the incentive, 20 bucks, like that's not quite $2 a mile, but I just want to get it done. Even if I get the base 100 and the extra 16 for doing the 4, that'll be a win for today for me. So that's our goal. Let's see how quick we can hit it. We started at about 10:30. We were waiting around a little bit. I guess that's the other reason I didn't get the round robins, because they usually drop around 20 minutes after the hour, and I was a little late to that. So maybe it'll get better. We'll see. But yeah, we're gonna go drop this one off and see how it goes. All right, well, we're delivering to a gas station, so that's lovely, but we gonna get it done. All right, well, that drop off sucked, but we got it done. And I did actually just realize there is another Walmart not too far from here. It's kind of the worst, but we're gonna take a gamble and we're gonna head towards it and hopefully get something, because we're not too far off from the next round robin here. So cross our fingers. Let's hope we get one, and I'll see you at the pickup if we do get one. All right, well, I was about to check in and say that this was a mistake, but I did just get an order. It's not great, but again, I'm just trying to get this done. I'm not worrying too much about the mileage. So 7.8 for 9, but again, guaranteed 20. So let's get this one done, and I'm probably gonna get out of here because this Walmart is not pumping out orders. So yeah, let's get her done. All right, just snatched up an easy order. Only one drop off. We're actually a little early, so can't pick it up for a few minutes, but hopefully it'll go quick. So let's get that one done. All right, that order was very smooth. Got it done pretty quick. No wait time practically. And we actually just got another one. It's a shopping order, so we're gonna knock this one out pretty quick. There's only a few items, and it should put us in a little bit better of a spot. We can hit up the other Walmart that's a little busier, so we should be done here pretty quick. I'm very excited, so let's go knock this one out. All right, so we made it back to the Central Walmart. I actually have a bunch of orders floating around right now, but they're all like either .com orders with a billion things. Oh, hold up, what's this? Unfortunately, that was a shopping order, and shopping orders do not count towards that second one. So I'm gonna stay away from it. Plus it was going like 9 miles anyways. But yeah, so that sucks. I still need one more curbside order for the $16 bonus, but it does look like the shopping order counted for the other one. So I think I'm just gonna wait until the round robin comes, because all these other ones are like either at the Walmart 12 miles away or it's a .com order with way too many stops, and it's actually going to work against the bonus anyways because it's paying like over 20 bucks. So I miss out on any bonus from that guarantee. So that's where we're at. I'll let you know when I get another offer that is actually gonna help us. So there is no way I just got this offer, dude. Literally, look at this. $4? $8 is the base pay, so I'm still gonna get a bonus. $50+ tip for 3 drops. It's going not too far. I cannot believe I actually got this. My acceptance rate has been like 0. I haven't done anything in almost 2 months. So what a banger freaking offer to end this video on. Pickup's not for another 15 minutes, but we're gonna get this done. I'm gonna go over some numbers and we'll wrap it up. But that's crazy, bro. Oh my gosh. So I just looked at it again, actually, and it's not even at this Walmart. So I do have to drive a little bit to get it. It's not too far again, you know. Like, look, distance isn't a problem when there's a good tip. When there's good pay, I don't care. This is what it should be like. Well, I mean, you know, I don't expect a $50 tip every order. But, you know what I'm saying? I'll do whatever if you're paying good. So, anyways, let's go pick it up, and I'll see you at the drop-off. They stuffed this in there. There's actually some more in this order in the back too, so yikes. All right, so just dropped off the last one, which did qualify us for both incentives. So I'm gonna drive home real quick so I can get an accurate number on my miles, and then I'm gonna go over all the numbers for you. All right, made it home. So with the incentives, and if, you know, the tip actually comes through and I don't get baited, then we made $170.94. That's, again, the $100 minimum from the 5 trips, plus the tip, plus the extra $16 incentive from the other one. And then we did drive 74 miles. Got that right here. Look at that miles per gallon. It's pretty nice as well. And I think earlier I said I started at like 10:30, but that didn't include driving to the Walmart. So it was actually about 10:15, and it is 4 o'clock right now. So that is just under 6 hours, 5 hours and 45 minutes. So whatever that hourly is, I'll put right here, but that's pretty good. Obviously, these kinds of incentives don't come around very often, and I think it's actually specifically for when you haven't driven for a while and they are trying to incentivize you to get back on the road. So because I've transitioned doing this part-time, I saw that this morning and figured, well, why not? I got a day. It's Saturday. The wife's working today, so got nothing else to do. And $170 later, I mean, here we are. So I wouldn't say go chase these incentives. Again, I did get really lucky with that extra 50 whatever dollar tip. So, you know, it's up to you if you want to say it's worth it or not. For me, it worked out today. So let me know what you guys think of Spark. I know there have been a lot of controversies around them. I've made my own video years ago, or a year ago, about the issues I've had, but hey, if I'm gonna make some money and it's gonna be worth my mileage and worth my time, then I'm gonna do it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.